Hello everyone, welcome to a short video. So this is probably not what you wanted to hear, so I'll just try and make it short, sweet and simple. So it's been a bit of a hard decision to make, but I'm going to stop doing YouTube. I'm having more negative messages and negative pointers or negative this, negative that than the positive. I was only doing it for just so people could watch me on my journey really, but people are just taking a bit of advantage of that and I'm not liking it, so I'm going to shut it down. I'm not saying this is it for the rest of my life. I'm saying that this is it for the rest of my school year at least, just to knuckle down on school a bit more and stuff, which means the mini won't get done probably until next year now. But every one of you who's donated money, donated parts, donated anything, it is all going to be banged into the mini and it's going to sit there until I'm going to rebuild it. So everything everyone's given me or helped me with, you don't need to worry, honestly, trust me. Everything that you've given me is still going on that car no matter what, so you don't need to worry about that, and that is my word to you. Nothing, the car is how it is, but every one of you who's given me money or given me parts, it's all going up in the loft or in the car. It's going to sit there until you need it and then it'll be used. It's not going to be sold on, it's not going to be flogged, it's not going to be taken or given else to someone else, because I'm going to use it because you gave it to me, so I'm going to use it and I'm going to have it. But I'm not saying this is the end, but it's going to be the end for a while, until I can sort myself out, because it's got to the point where I've had enough of all the negativity and I'm just shutting down. So this is it. This is the end of my journey. And Facebook I'm shutting down, and everything I'm shutting down, to be honest. So if you want me, then message below and then I can give you maybe email or something and we could talk over that. But if it's going to be negative, don't even bother talking to me. But before I go, I'd just like to say a massive thank you to quite a few people. So in no particular order or anything, this is just, I've got a list of people that I subscribe to and who follow me, so I thought, right, I'll just write them down how they come. So firstly, we've got a new one, which is 750 Slingshot. Leisha's dad has started up a channel restoring his mini. I think it's a 1988 as well, and he's doing that up at the moment. He's done another one up in the before this one, obviously, so it's blue one with Revolution wheels and stuff like that. So he's done that. That's all up and going. And yeah, I met him. Well, I didn't really meet him. I met his daughter and that, but if I can help you out, mate, with anything, then just let me know, because I'm more than happy to help. We've got Adam Campion as well. Always watching you. Well, I'm watching everyone on here, so just thank you very much for helping me and watching. Got Dave's vlog as well. I haven't really spoken to him, but I subscribe to him and I like his content and what he does, so there's a little shout out for you. And we've got Dave Jaguar 66 as well, the man, the one at the top. Just thank you for everything you've done for me, and yeah, I hope to maybe one day see you, but who knows. And we've got DB Mini DIY from up north. Got George Knapp as well, met him at the meet, and yeah, he's pretty chill. There's a new one that I was meant to mention in my other video, and he's got, I think it's 500 odd subscribers, and he wanted a shout out. Well, he didn't want one, he just asked like how I was doing. That was a positive comment I got from him. So I thought, yeah, I'll just shout him out. So that's Keith Miller. I'll put a link in the description for Keith, because I haven't done a shout out for him before, so there's that. I've got Mini Dobby. I'll take my hat off to you for everything, and yeah, I hope to see you in the summer. That would be really good. I've got Mini Madness as well, Ben, Mini Madness. Loving the build, it's coming on really well, and I like how you're doing a daily upload, or try to, so we're all watching that and tuning in. We've got Mini Man's Shed as well. He's restoring a Mini Clubman, and I've just tuned into him and I'm liking the content. Well, he's only done 2 videos, but the content's really good, and it's really good. We've got Paul B mini build as well. Met him at Bingley. Well, that was the first guy I met at Bingley, and yeah, it was good to talk to you, mate. And I'm loving the hydraulics on that mini. That is some fine engineering, one of a kind as well. So that's going to be proper nice, mate. Minimat TV. Haven't seen any videos from him recently, but I know he's been commenting on videos and stuff, so I know he's still about. So I hope maybe soon see some more content from you. That'd be good. But no, thank you very much for giving me positive comments and feedback on that. Got Piper Doug as well. That mini's just, for me, yeah, I wouldn't know where to start, to be honest. I'd do a bit and that would be me done. I think I'd get a bit bored, but no, I take my hat to you, and what you're doing is absolutely outstanding, amazing. Shout out to Tim the Spanner Man as well. He came over a couple of months back and had a little deal with him on an engine. So the engine that's going in this car is from him, so I've started rebuilding that, mate. We've got an unleaded head for it now. The head is now back on the car, new head gasket, and hopefully next month we'll put some rebuild the engine, get that rebuilt as well, so that'd be good. Sean C as well, loving your videos, mate. Some real detail going on and repairing everything as it should be, so that's some proper quality there. We've got the Gentleman's Motor Racing Team. He's restoring is it Bernie the 1275 GT, so check him out. We've got the DJ SE as well, and finally Total Car Reviews. So that's just a few of the people I'd like to shout out. I'd also like to shout out my parents for letting me do the mini and letting me have the garage now and sorting that out. Shout out to my girlfriend as well. She's been outstanding, to be honest. She's been amazing. Just giving me, keeping me going, to be honest. She's the one that's keeping me going. I don't think, without her, I don't think I'd do as much as I've been doing, video wise, and just trying my absolute best. Because at the beginning at the beginning of YouTube I was a bit negative. I thought, oh, it's not going to take off. Then it has, and that was ever since I got with her, so I feel like she's got a bit of good luck. But no, I appreciate you sticking up with me and doing what I do with minis and parts and flogging bits and bobs. So I appreciate you, appreciate every one of you who's watching and giving me positive things, but the negative people have made me stop this, so at the end of the day it's what it is. But before I go, I'd just like to just show you around a few bits I've got, and just before I go, so give me one moment. So I've got a few bits for sale. As Saturday I bought a haul of parts. So in here we've got absolutely everything. We've got all these panels, scuttle, boot floors, rear quarters, rear seat things. Got the lower rear as well. So if you need anything, let me know, because I'll still see the comments. We've got these wing mirrors, we've got brand new headlights, we've got 7 steering wheels, we've got a cassette player, 2 cassette players, we've got this mountainy steering wheel. I believe it's a 12-inch steering wheel, half, I think all of them are. We've got bits up here, so we've got some rare spotlights, got some new lens covers, van rear lights, 3-dial binnacle, oil cooler, and a heater. We've got an MPI heater as well, so yeah, if you want anything let me know in that, so that'd be good. So yeah, just before I go, yeah, thank you very much everyone who's been supporting me and following me. And here's a few pictures of where we've come from in the last 7 months. It's not going to be easy, but I've just got to do it because I'm just getting fed up with it all. So yeah, thank you very much for everyone who's been helping me and helping me along the way. Nothing you've donated is going, it's staying. And yeah, we will get this mini done soon enough, don't worry. It'll be done one day. So who knows, you might see me in the future. I'll do a video now and then again when I go to a show if anyone wants to meet up or anything, but I doubt they will now. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. and I will see you. Who knows? Maybe I'll see you one day. But if I don't, and it's been nice seeing, like, talking to you all and showing my adventure. Knowing me, I'm going to get bad feedback on this as well, so I don't even see why the point I'm even trying, but I just thought I'd let you know what's going on. But yeah, cheers, and maybe I'll see you one day in the future, but who knows, it's what it is. So yeah, see you later, cheers.